Show you how to use Screencast-O-matic and do kind of a quick demo here for you. To save time, I've already gone to screencast-O-matic.com and created my free account. Just answer a few questions and then this is what it will show you. So you click the launch recorder here. All right, recorder's been launched. So I'm going to go to my drive and look for the PowerPoint that I want to record. Download that. And open that. All right, so here are these black and white dashed lines here that create this box. This is what is going to be captured. So only the things within this is what the students will see in the recording. So I can set my parameters. So you could have your notes open on the outside, a script, or you can have this where you can see what slides are coming up next. You have some choices here. You can pick screen where it's only recording your screen, webcam where it's only recording you without your screen, or both. Where it's recording your screen with a small picture of you speaking as well. So for today, we're going to record just the screen. And then you click this record button down here. And sometimes it's at the top and sometimes it's at the bottom. And so you just look for that red record button. When you press that, it's going to count down, give you some time, and then you record. Welcome to EAC 551. And then as you click through your slides and they change, the students are only seeing what's inside that red and white box. Okay, then when you're done, you press pause and press done, and then it's going to give you some choices. You can edit your video and then you can add things like music. It's really easy to add music to the background, or you can add captions. So I'm going to add speech to text captions, and they build in there automatically. Okay, if you see any errors, so like you can see that it has an error here, I can click in there and just edit what I said. Then you click OK, and those captions will be set. Click Done. And now you have another choice. Do you want to upload it to Screencast-O-matic, or save it as a video file? I always save it as a video file if I have room. And you'll select the folder where you want it to go. So I've already selected that I want it to go to my desktop, but you can click here and it will give you a choice to add it anywhere on your computer. Click Publish. So now it's kind of packaging it all together and saving it as an MP4 file. Okay, perfect. I could rename it there if I wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and close that out, because now you're going to see that it has saved on my desktop where I asked it to.